Hi, welcome back to another video on the Mercedes. We just got a notification that we've got a dipped right beam, so we're going to replace it with a new bulb. As you can see, the car's winking at us that we have to replace this bulb. So as you can see, this is the back of the headlight, and all we need to do is just twist this like that. It's hard to see whilst we're filming, but I'm going to put my hand in there and twist that thing anti-clockwise and pull it out.
There's the bulb.
There's the bulb. It's a bit stiff, but all we have to do is pull the old bulb out. Damn. Thank God. We've got these ring bulbs which are apparently 200% brighter, so we're going to replace both of them and we're going to put it in the way we took it out. So you've got to make sure that you don't get any of your fingers onto the glass, because it could blow the bulbs. As you can see here, I am touching the glass with gloves on, and we're going to put it on. This square bit here is going to go in there. Then push. So you've got to find the hole, put it back in and turn right. Now all we've got to do is put the cap back on. There we go. Take that out. Okay, and now we'll test it. Pass the keys. That was a nice and easy job, only took a couple minutes. I'm not sure if you can see on the camera, but the new one is much brighter than the old one. But now all we have to do is replace the other one. So now they're both done. They look really bright, and it should make a difference when we're driving at night.